Deca football box number 1, a long marination. Let's see what Deca heats. Ooh, good luck, everybody. Shop. So J Jetta is silver inserts. Minnesota. Little DK Metcalf red. The Seahawks. So 199. As a Bowers rookie. Oh, Brad Johnson. Kool-Aid McKinstry rookie purple. That's for the Saints, Brad. 30, 39, and 99. Corum Rook. BTJ rookie. Booey. Michael Penix inserts. School Emmett's red. Oh, Cowboys, Brad. So 199. All right, Trey Benson rookie. Nick Chubb. Jalen Polk. Julian. Debo Samuel blue. Sam Fran Big Clay. So 149. Javon Bullard rookie. Chris Carter. First auto, Xavier Hutchinson. Houston, Brad. Mike Vick. Little orange for the Falcons. Russo. That's 31 of 49. Jordan Whittington, rookie. Smith Chase. Coop DeJean, rook. MC silver Joe Andreessen. It's a rookie ink for Buffalo. That's Steven. Jacoby Myers silver. So Marshawn rookie. T. Marist. Buckus. Well, Mike Penix. Gold black. JJ Rook. God, it's stuck in my throat. Oh, Daniil Hunter silver. D Swift. Oh, Malachi Corley. Jane Daniels Rook. Oh, so Richard Sherman, Decade Dominance silver. Oh, Myles Garrett's red. So 199. It's cool. Darren Woodson. Short print color. Ricky Pearsall, Drake May rookie. A little extra ink. Loaded. Little Jamal Anderson. It's Russo. Christian Gonzalez, purple. The Pat spread. 99. Xavier Worthy, Edrin Cooper. T. Higgs. Last pack mojo. Blue Malik rookie. So Legarius, San Fran, T.O. Little 49ers, big clay. So 149. Sends Ray Davis. So out the box. No big rookie color. We are due out of this case. No quarterback color. What, 3 boxes into this case too? And nothing crazy. That was a Deca box at number 1. So jumping in, everybody.